Welcome, my friends. As you can see, is he live? Yes, I'm live. I'm alive. I'm here. My friends, welcome. Nice to see all of you here. We will do weekly market forecast where I will show you what instruments better to trade. Also, you will ask your questions. At this moment, let's write into Telegram and let's write on TradingView page that we had started. What should you do right now? You should write about sound and voice quality, sound, video, voice quality. If everything is good, at this moment, let's write. If everything is good, we will start. We will continue. Okay. And also, for you, it is really important to smash like button, because when you smash like button, for me it's really pleasure, and it's for YouTube algorithm. So it's not for me when you smash like button, because when YouTube see a lot of likes, he shares it video to other people. That's why. Voice is clear. Good. My friends, ask your questions, instruments. Also, before we will start, type where you from. What is your country? We will wait 1-2 minutes, and after that we will start. Write please your name and where you from. For example, Yuri, Ukraine, Kiev. For example, like Justin, United Kingdom, London. Right, for me it's really interesting to see geography of all people who is here. A ruble up. From Hong Kong. Oh, from Angel from Hong Kong. Nice to see it. You're here. Hi from UK, Germany. Oh, we have really interesting places here, because Germany, UK, Hong Kong, one of the best city and places in the world which I really like. Ivan, Slovakia, Nitra. Hello, Ivan. I'm from Ukraine. We are really close to each other. Kelvin, Kenya, Jack, South Africa. Hi guys, nice to see all of you here. Hi, my name is Shahram from Iran. Hello Shahram, nice to see you here. Mohammed, Turkey. Portuguese, Sri Lanka. Tajana, Netherlands. Tatiana, Tatiana. Tatiana, where are you from, by the way? What is your like country where you're from? Amro, Egypt. Good, my friends. And hi, what is your expectation for Dow Jones? Yes, we will speak about indexes. I'll tell you everything what I think. Faster Brazil, okay. I see that many people came here. I see that hi Vicky from Hong Kong. Nice to see all of you here. My dear friends, we should build our webinar, our stream officially, and what we will do. First, right now you write questions which you have here. Also, you write instruments which you would like me to analyze. Why it's important? Because sometimes I can speak, for example, about currency pairs, but no one care about currency pairs. All of you want to speak about stocks. That's why you should write instrument and questions which you have, because that would make our communication best for all of us, and for me it would be far easier to do good service for you. That's why right now write into the chat questions which you have about trading, about instruments, and also which instruments you would like me to analyze. At this moment I would like to show you instrument which we trade today, and by the way we sent alert today. As you can see, we sent alert today on on USD Russian ruble. As you can see, September 7th, buy stop 75.75. I just would like to share with you how we make a decision and trade some instruments. As you can see, Russian ruble, take a look on this uptrend. Before many of you will ask questions, I would show you my thoughts. As you can see, Russian ruble in this upward trend, but before opening any entry, we need a key place where we will be able to open a position. And at this moment, as you can see today, we had this key level, because as you can see, this bar bounced and this paranormal bar bounced, and breakout of this stuff create good powerful uprise. As you can see, take a look on this accumulation before key level, and take a look after this breakout here. It's really good uprise, and huge possibilities that Russian ruble will continue its uprise even till this key level. That's example how we make a decision. Would like I'm Russian, but I live in Netherlands. Many people move from former Soviet Union countries to Europe, and it's like, it's okay. My aunt lives in Italy 17 years. I'm from Ukraine. S&P 500. Okay, gold, British pound, USD, Swiss franc. Okay, as you can see, major currency pairs, gold, oil. I'll do it. Gold, I'll do dollar indexes. Interesting in forex currency pairs. Okay, talk Bitcoin first. Okay, let's do Bitcoin first. It's only a first time. Let's do a favor for that man, for that gentleman, but promise me that you will be till the end of this webinar, and after that you would share it to other people. About Bitcoin, my friend, today I think down drop can continue with huge possibility. By the way, we even sent a sell signal today, as you can see on our crypto. On our crypto signals, as you can see, we sent sell signal below 10k. Why? Because as you can see, after this powerful down drop, price didn't bounce back. Price came back and made closer retest. What is a closer retest? A closer retest when we have some key level and price few days, like it didn't took many days, but after few days price continue its trend. And what does it mean? That the huge possibility it will continue down drop, and I also believe that there could be continue down drop at least to at least to this key area. Few seconds. Why I think so? Because in most cases when Bitcoin make such powerful moves, after that we see on the second day completely opposite. For example, like here, powerful uprise, powerful drop down, uprise, powerful uprise, powerful drop, powerful uprise, powerful drop, powerful drop, uprise. As you can see, in most cases after such powerful moves, Bitcoin moves opposite. But after this, as you can see, price made pullback and came back. That's all. And you should understand the logic of the market. So many people here open buy position in this area because believe Bitcoin drop down and so soon there would be moon. But where is a stop losses? You should always ask yourself, where would be stop losses of retail, of sellers, of buyers? Stop losses of buyers, those who open buy, would be below this key level, and I think relow can create powerful down drop, because here would be a lot of stop losses of buyers, and when buyers close their position, it is sell. That's all. That's really easy. I will stay to end US 30, please. First time for your YouTube webinar. Fadi, yes, I'll do Dow Jones. Please, for start, we will do gold and major currency pairs. After that, I'll do indexes. I promise you. Next one will be gold. Okay. And about Bitcoin, don't forget to watch on Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, Bitcoin dominance currently dropping, falling, and that means huge possibility other currency pairs against Bitcoin would rise. And take a look how Bitcoin dominance even bounced from this accurate key level in here. That's just example for you how sometimes key levels works pretty accurate on all markets. Okay, let's go. Gold. Let's speak about gold. Okay, my friends, about gold, I spoke for many times here about gold. What's going on in this moment? Price in powerful range, and at this moment better to be out of that range, better to wait. Why? I recommend you to watch this my trading view, where I record a lesson about gold, because that idea were more educational. When price inside of such range, there's nothing to do, because you don't know how many days it will take to break it. Example for you, this range. Take a look on this range. It was from 13 April 20 till 19 of January 20. Just imagine April, May and January. Nearly 3 months the price were in range, with no direction, with no good move. And what does it mean for all of us? If price inside of such range, it is not good to trade it, because we will not have accurate entries, because price one day up, second day down, up, down, up, down. I don't like it. I like to trade when it will be certain. That's why at this moment my recommendation, wait, don't trade gold for these days, because gold inside of this range. There is no accurate signal on bigger time frame and lower time frame. That's why I prefer to stay away from gold. Write into chat what do you think about this statement which I just told you, and would you like to trade gold? Are you looking for some entries on a gold? June, okay. About British pound. British pound at this moment today already dropped down full ATR. If you would take a look on British pound, you would see it dropped down 101% of its ATR. What does it mean for all of us? It means that today possibilities that price would continue down drop nearly 5-10%. And I expect if there would be comeback, breakout, there could be pullback at least to this trend line. But if you would speak about global picture, what about global picture? Global picture, price bounced before this powerful key level. We have this upward channel, and as you can see, pull back to this channel border could create a good bounce. That's all. I would, at this moment, I would also stay away from British pound, because take a look on key levels which we have. We have this key level, as you can see. I would prefer to open position nearly such like this key level, if there would be false breakout, or here false breakout. In other cases, that is not good to trade. I think you're right, no obvious trend. Boss, just choose your path and walks you through precaution. My friend, about pairs, at this moment, my friend, I hope every one of you see me and hear me. At this moment, 999999999. Okay. BiKo Trading chat. Ah, good. All software is working, because it looks like that didn't work. Okay. At this moment, what can I tell you? At this moment, I have some of you ask me about instrument which I have on the list. At this moment, as you can see, I have only this instrument on the list. It is a British pound Australia, which right now made false breakout. I open already buy, stop loss set here and take profit here. Will it work? Will it play out? I don't know, because at this moment I don't like this range before key level. To be honest, I think to close it, because everything looks like it would go against me. But still I hold that position. That's all. Okay, let's speak about other major instruments. EURUSD. So many of you had asked me about EURUSD, what to do. Once more, as you can see, it's here. A few seconds. Okay. Once more about EURUSD. Take a look here. At this moment, price, what's going on? At this moment, price, as you can see, in this upward channel, also horrible. As you can see, we have this key level by this paranormal candle and here. And if that would be slowly approach to this key level, triangle, something like this, breakout could create powerful pullback on EURUSD. No gold for me. I have a buy from 1912 with stop loss at break even. So New Zealand, Japanese yen, please. I'll do it. The next one about Japanese yen. Japanese yen inside of this channel range, skip. Silver. Silver will follow gold. As you can see, correlation between silver and gold huge and dramatic. And take a look how accurately. My friends, we should wait for something like this. Take a look. Take a look on this key level. Accurate key level. Price slowly approach to this key level. After breakout, take a look on this. That's what we need for trading. That's what we need. Canadian. Canadian, as you can see, this didn't bounce it from this key level. Only if price would hit this key level with full 8 hours, that could be good bounce. That's only one place where we can think about Canadian, because Canadian at this moment is still in this downward channel and still possibility the price would continue down drop. My apology. Swiss franc, by the way, Swiss franc not bad at this moment. What can I tell you about Swiss franc? As you can see, we have this key level and price slowly approaching to this key level. What does it mean for all of us? If today's daily candle would close at level, tomorrow that could be good accurate uprise. I would wait if there would be a good accurate triangle on lower time frame. I would open by tomorrow if that would happen. By the way, it's not bad. Yes, it's local level, but still, as you can see here, before price made a trap for sellers here. Take a look. Take a look. Take a look on this trap for sellers. And that trap for sellers, it's a good place for a buy. Okay. My friends, tell me please, is it clear for you what we are talking right now? Maybe you have some questions which you would like me to clarify, to add to you. Australia. Australia is not good, to be honest. Because Australia in this upward channel, but we don't have a place where we can open entry with low at predictable risk. We have this key level, to be honest, but take a look on this key level. But as you can see, price already made false breakout, and what to do. Also, you can see that price bounced before from this key level. To be honest, price bounced from this key level, that could be better and bigger down drop. But we remember, when we trade, we should find such places like this, and from this place open a position. At this moment, there is nothing to do. There is no entry. As you can see, Australia at this moment between these two powerful key places. I would prefer to be out of that. Oil finally, as you can see, oil finally broke it. And at this moment, what I think, if oil would break this previous low, there could be bigger down drop even to this key level. And pay attention, if price would hit this key level with full ETRs, there could be good bounce. I think oil can drop good. British pound USD base, please. I just spoke about British pound. British pound Japanese, the best place to buy now. Why do you think there is the best place to buy British pound Japan? Nasdaq and VIX, a reversal or profit taking? Cat shift, okay. My friends, we just cover major currency pairs. Also, a few words about Euro Japanese yen and Euro and British pound Japanese yen. As you can see, British pound Japanese yen, so sad, Euro Japanese, it didn't hit this key level, didn't do a false breakout. At this moment, price inside. And what to do, hard to say. We have this, as you can see, local level. If that would be slowly approaching to this key level, we will open entry after breakout. That's all what can I tell you at this moment, because there is no other good and accurate places and on British pound Euro Japanese yen. British pound Japanese yen already dropped down 101% of ATR. So sad at this moment, price stop, as you can see, and become more slowly. What can I tell you? If today there would be a drop, few seconds. At this moment, as you can see, also better to skip, but as you can see, price at border of this channel. Will be today a breakout? Hard to say. Maybe it can happen, because I trade horizontal levels. What I know certainly, if there would be powerful down drop today to till this key level, I would open buy. If there would be like false breakout, few seconds. If there would be false breakout today, I would think there would be such pullback. In other case, to be honest, hard to trade it, because we don't have accurate key level on British pound Japanese yen, and as you can see, we still have uptrends. That's why good pullback could be accurate buy entry. Yuri, don't see the DAX will test 88 or 86. About dollar index, for me, dollar index at this moment, my friends, as you can see, a price in this downward channel. I hope you see it. And today we are at border of it, and breakout of this finally can create a good pullback to one of these key levels. That's why, once more, what can I tell you? At this moment, there's, if you trade trend lines, you can try to open sell today to continue down drop. I personally trade key levels, and for me, I have two key places, the closest two key places, first one here and second one here. And if price would make a pullback to one of these key levels, that could be a good powerful down drop. Why? Because if you would take a look, money supply US, if you would take a look on this data, you would understand that there would be some problems with US. Take a look how much money United States created, especially for last few years. Take a look from April, May, June, July. Just imagine how much money United States create for the last 1 year, if you would compare it to last 5 years or even 10 years. That's why, what can I tell you, my friends? There's something will happen, and I think the dollar can continue down drop. New Zealand Japanese, yes. Michael, how would you know if it would reverse on you? My friend, I have a strategy, and to be honest, I don't know in all cases will price continue down drop or not. I have a strategy. I have two types of strategies. When price moves a lot to some key level without any pullback, make false breakout, for me it's a good signal that with huge possibilities there would be a pullback or trend change. Because if you would open most of charts, you would see that most of the trends finished after powerful move. That's all. That's what I am waiting for. Some of you, I see rising channel. Can you make 200 pips per day? 4 points after 0 or 5 points after 0? And what do you mean 200 pips per day? Why is this number? Because today on Russian ruble we made nearly 1000 pips, but what does it mean? Far more important risk reward which you can take, not pips. That shit with pips. New Zealand Japanese yen. My friends, at this moment I ask you to smash like button, subscribe on me, and share this stream with other people. Also, what I would like to share with you. Also, I have Instagram. You can subscribe on me, and when you have some questions, you can ask me personally, because it's only my Instagram which I personally use. Also, follow me on Telegram. Here is our Telegram channel where you will get free and useful information ideas. Also, as you can see, my broker which I personally use, FCA regulated broker. As you can see, Russian ruble made a pullback. Yeah, Russian ruble made a pullback. Yeah, it hit a break even of our people. So sad. Sometimes it happens. Okay. Let's continue. Some of you asked me about New Zealand Japanese yen. New Zealand Japanese yen, as you can see, price came back inside of this channel. To be honest, when price inside of this channel, it would be hard to do something to you. Why? Because what do you want to trade? There is nothing to trade when price inside. Example for you, opposite situation on Australia Japanese yen. Take a look. What should you do? In what cases you can trade when you have such channel? Take a look. Australia Japanese yen. Take a look before price broke this key level. Take a look how accurately price bounced from key level before breakout. Yes, and after breakout you can open a position. That's example for you how you can trade it. After breakout you open a position, or after first retest you also can open a position. That's the two places where you can trade. In this scenario on New Zealand Japanese yen, to be honest, if I would trade it for myself, I would just leave it, and I would even won't open it. So can I add 20% of my account every day? My friend, you can do whatever you want. Yuri, how many trades do you average per month? From 20 to 40 trades per month, my friend. The next instruments which many of you had asked me about, indexes. Let's speak about indexes. Where is S&P 500? S&P S&P 500. As you can see, my friend, on Friday price bounced from this previous low and bounced back. At this moment we still in this upward channel. Still nothing had changed. We still in this upward channel, and price still continue uprise. I have only one dead zone, which I would call this key level. It is a dead zone. Below this, only breakout of this would start new down drop. At this moment, everything looks like it will continue its uprise. It's ridiculous, but my friends, take a look how it bounced back from this key level, and it looks like it will continue its uprise. That's all. About S&P, what can I tell you? I don't like this stuff. I don't like that United States prints so much money, because when they print so much money, that means something will happen with USD. Maybe there could be a big crash on USD. What can I tell you? At this moment, something is going to happen in the world economy. But what will happen, it will be hard to speak. Can you talk about dollar index? My friend, you will be able to watch it after this stream, because we already covered it. I was asking to see if it's possible. 20%. Emotionally, it's hard and difficult, and forget about every day, because you don't have, you will not have good trading possibilities every day. On some day you will open 3-5 trades. On sometimes there would be days without any trades. That's why forget about that you will have every day. Also about 20%. If you have such big, how can you make 20% per day? First, you have few trades with very low risk and big potential reward. For example, you open 4 trades, and in each one you make 1% with risk 1%. Even if price go against you, you have draw down 4%. But if you put into risk 10% of your account and for make 20, it's possible. But remember, there would be a day when you will have many entries against you. And with risk per position 10%, what you will do? Because there could be 10 stop losses in a row. The biggest amount of stop losses on a row, which I had was nearly 15. And what will you do if you will have such amounts of stop losses in a row? Because everything can happen. You can have problems with your health. You can have problems with your wife, kids, and there could be a difficult market because there's some news, Trump, China, something spoke. And what will you do in that situation? That's why you need to have as low risk per position as possible, and you need to make profit by taking good risk reward. For looking places where you can take at least 1 to 5, 1 to 10 risk reward. About that, I record a video lesson which you can open on YouTube, and here is a key places. This one, I showed a key places where you can take big risk reward, like powerful kill hours where you can take 1 to 10, 1 to 20. If you will learn it, you will be able to do it. Also, below this video you will find a link on my free course. Especially if you are a beginner, you should join that free course. Where is that link? Follow me on YouTube. Follow me on YouTube, my friends. Below this video, below this live, you need to find a link. Take a look. You open live. You open live. After that, what you do? You see this trustful broker free course, as you can see, BiKo Trading, and you join just that free course. That's all what you do. Believe me, it would be a game changing for you. About S&P and about Dow Jones, about all other instruments, US, where is it, indexes. As you can see, we have major indexes in the United States and other world. As you can see, for example, US small cap 2000 still didn't recover from this recession. What does it mean for all of us? S&P 500, as you can see, made a re-high, but we have like there problems with US economy, bigger unemployment, money print, election. To be honest, at this moment, market difficult. It depends what you do. To be honest, at this moment, I collect money, I collect cash, and if there would be a good drop, I would open and buy ETF on total market. To be honest, I would be really happy if there would be big crash on all markets for a bigger time period, because I would be able to buy good assets with cheaper price. But will it happen? It's hard to say, because of this huge money print, there could be just uprise without any good and deep recession. But I hope a good pullback finally will happen. That's why about S&P, about all this stuff, how can you trade it? You can trade it when you have good and powerful key levels and you wait for good pictures on a chart. Example for you, good patterns. If you have some key levels and you can see the price slowly approaching to key level, something like this, you can trade breakout. That's best what you can do. My friends, what questions do you have? New Zealand, S&P 500, I just spoke. DAX, German DAX. As you can see, German DAX inside of this channel and in this upward channel. That's all. It continue. If it depends what you do. If you invest in DAX in Germany and you bought it, for example, like here on here, to be honest, you can hold it for a long term, for many years, because DAX Germany would be top economy in Europe, I think, for a long time. But if you a speculator, you need to find a key places where you can open a position. That's why you can do it only at key levels. My friends, write into a chat. Is it clear for you? Maybe you have some additional questions about indexes, because maybe sometimes I speak like too difficult with difficult words. Write feedback into a chat to me about that. And at this moment, my dear friends, if you have any questions about our services, if you want join our VIP alerts, where we send alerts on forex market, crypto market, and get our soft, just into a chat I send contacts of my team. Write to my team and ask all the questions, because you will get all feedbacks from my team. If you need good education, if you need to learn powerful key levels, if you need to learn preconditions, build your step-by-step plan, right now you can write to my team and ask all questions. And today, for those who will buy a course today, educational course, I prepare for you, my friend, this beautiful Google Classroom where I create this structure of the course. Because take a look how it will look from today. Take a look. All topics which important for you to understand is here. You just open it and study step by step. Rule, risk management, key levels. Take a look. All examples of key levels, as you can see, examples, so many examples how to build it with clear understanding on different markets, on Bitcoin, on gold, S&P, British pound Australia. On all markets you will find good examples how to build these key levels. That's why right now write to my team, and this Google Classroom would be a bonuses for today, because before we added only VIP members, those who bought only VIP education. Today everyone who would buy education would get Google Classroom as for free. Question: should we care about recent levels or levels are actual? To be honest, better always pay attention to the most powerful places, because levels, it is not like many people confuse why we use levels. Levels, it's a huge and powerful places where big players can accumulate volume. Because just imagine example of this level. After that I hope you understand how it works. Just imagine of this level. As you can see, we have powerful level, and take a look how many people open buy and sell position inside. Just imagine thousands of people buy sell, so thousands of people buy open buy, and inside big players accumulate volume, and at border of these levels there always will be huge amount of stop losses. And just imagine for big players break out of this range, when they break out, just imagine everyone who holds sell, they would be in red. There would be places of their stop losses. There would be places when there would be their stop outs. And that's a meaning of key level. It's a place where a lot of stop losses orders, especially of other players, which will give fuel for big players. That's the meaning of key levels. And that's I teach in my course. That's why you need to pay attention to powerful key levels. Inside levels, yes, sometimes they work, but far more important levels on bigger time scale. Yuri, are you doing scalping trades? I do scalping trades when price approach to key level on more than one ATR and sharply. In those cases I open scalp trades, but sometimes it doesn't work. Sometimes it is like this British pound, as you can see. Sometimes it would be like this British pound Australia. I thought it would be a scalp trade. As you can see here, I thought it would be a scalp trade. Price dropped down nearly 130% of its ATR, but as you can see, price tried to do slow pullback, but nothing did work. Sometimes it works really good. Example for you of this scalp. I like that strategy, but remember that you will not have 100% of profit trades. Example for you, a few seconds. Where's my statistic? It's here. Few seconds. My entries. May. No, it is not May. It was August. Now, where is that beautiful picture? Few seconds, my dear. August, July. Awesome picture. As you can see, it's here. It's example for you here of scalp trades which I would like to do. As you can see, price very fast hit key level, and ATR at the time were nearly 140%. In those cases, yes, I open scalp trades, and in most cases it will be intraday. In those cases, I understand where big players would hit stop losses, where energy would be taken. I love to trade it. I'm confused about zone 0. Is it the same as key level? No, it's completely different, because key level, it is a certain place. It is a one price. Zone, it is many different key places at the same time. It's completely different, because now what's the difference? Because when you will open a position, you will need only one place for a stop loss and take profit. That's why it would be different. My friends, at this moment I ask you to subscribe on our YouTube channel and smash like button, because it's only for YouTube algorithms. Thank you for the explanation. Plus, should we care about? You're welcome, my friend. My dear, what other questions do you have and would like me to ask? to analyze. Some of you wrote me different instruments. New Zealand, Japanese yen we covered, major currency pairs covered. My friends, if you have any other instruments which you would like me to analyze, write here. Also, a few words about crypto. Bitcoin dominance, as you can see, still Bitcoin dominance dropping down, and there is no signal that this trend would change. As you can see, we have this key level only. If there would be breakout of this key level, as you can see, is this one. As you can see on this key level, only if there would be breakout of this key level, there could be a powerful pullback and huge difference in dominance, as you can see also from this place with 2 key level. Total market cap, technically, as you can see, total market cap bounced before this key level, and it would be interesting to see what will be here. As you can see, pullback at least to this total cap. That could be a good pullback. Total altcoins, as you can see, price made false breakout of previous body, but for me it looks like someone accumulate huge position, like big players accumulate huge position. Interesting. Bitcoin did a pullback, as you can see, huge. As you can see, price didn't continue down drop. Maybe it would be a stop loss by our signal, but only if there would be breakout of this key level, there could be we can make some decision. Ethereum, I hope it would hit this key level. I hope, because take a look on this beautiful key level. If there would be pullback to this really beautiful key level, take a look here, 250 and round number. Take a look how price accumulate before. And when some of you would tell that key levels doesn't work, show to them this picture and take a look how accurately price was there. Why key levels works? Because at key levels there are a lot of sellers and buyers. That's all. Do you recommend any indicators? I recommend only one indicator. It is ATR. If you need good ATR indicator, which you will have in your MT4, you can write to my team and you can buy for us. We create a good ATR indicator for ourselves, for our personal needs. Few seconds. As you can see, I would like to share with you that indicator. It will show to you for MT4 and MT5 current ATR. What does it show? It shows to you average daily move of instruments per day, and you would see when price move more than one ATR, with huge possibilities there would be stop or a pullback. As you can see, for example, at this moment, British pound, Japanese yen drop down more than one ATR, and if there would be some key level, I would open buy position. But it's so sad that we don't have any powerful key level at this moment, but if there would be some key level, I would open a buy on British pound, Japanese yen. Example for you here, Canadian rose up 85% of its ATR. USD, Euro British pound, as you can see, 139% of its ATR rose up, and at this moment huge possibility that there would be a pullback from some of these places. Now you can write to my team and ask about it, and you can purchase it. USD, Swiss, copper and silver. Silver, my friend, I spoke about silver. Once more, wait only for something accurate. Still silver as gold inside of this channel, inside of this range. And what will be after, hard to speak. About silver, they are far better to wait for something like this. As you can see, key level, price fast and sharply hit this key level, false breakout. Or here, price made range accumulation after breakout, powerful uprise. When there would be some of this picture, I would send alert to our VIP members who bought VIP alerts from us. You can join also. Or if that would be about gold, in many cases we share good ideas on gold for free. You just you can subscribe on TradingView and wait for it. USD Swiss franc, have any possible to go down to weekly key level 0.83. 0.83. My friend, as you can see, I have alert here on USD Swiss franc. At this moment, in long term, it's possible. In short term, as you can see, in short term, we have this key level, and take a look how slowly price approach to this key level. And breakout of this key level can create a good pullback. You can open Swiss franc and dollar index, and you would see that correlation between open chart, as you can see, we have this chart, Swiss franc, and take a look, let's open dollar index, Swiss franc. As you can see, daily and daily. I hope you would understand that it's very close to each other. I hope you see that it is very close to each other. That's why about Swiss franc, if at this moment, if dollar index will break it, there could be bigger pullbacks on all instruments. And because of that, Swiss franc also can make a good pullback. That's all. Yuri, your intro with the tapping on the chest is from the wood of the Wall Street. So cool, respect. Yeah, my friend. Yeah. Cool. My friends, for many of you, what is the most important thing in all trading is to have low predictable risk. That's why I recommend you to wait for accurate entries where you will have that beauty. To be honest, at this moment, as you can see, we always wait for accurate entries with low predictable risk. For you, I would do a bonus. Do you want to get a bonus from me for free? My friends, type into your chat, do you want to get a bonus for free from me? Free bonus. Really free bonus. And it would be useful. I would like to see at least 10 yes, I would like, because 42 people, like 25%. If 25% of you would say yes, I would show you really good and awesome stuff. First. Second, my friends, 10 people. We need 10 people. If we would see 10 people, I would do a free bonus for you. Free people. My friends, I wait for, yes, of course, for 5. Additional. Let's do additional yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 yes, and I'll show. Oh, number 6. Who will be number 7? Also, for that, I also ask you to subscribe on my YouTube channel right now and smash the like button, because it would be useful. Okay. What is the main problem of most of the traders? That you trade too much and you don't wait for best pictures. I would like to share with you one of the best pictures, because in most cases, as you can see, I have diaries. I always have diaries, different diaries. Take a look. I have my format diary where I write down everything. And I would like to show you good places. I would like to show you maybe one of the best patterns which you should look for on a chart, because which you would look for a chart, after which you can hold your position for many days and make good and powerful profit. Because, my friends, most biggest problem of all of us is that we trade too much. Take a look on a chart on one of the most powerful patterns which you will see all the time. By the way, this stuff before I share only with my VIP students who are in this Discord, only for VIP students. As you can see, my trading patterns. As you can see, I would show you pattern number 1, which I personally trade. It calls a breakout after powerful accumulation. Why? Because example for you, I would like to share it here. This example, it's a bonus for you, from you. As you can see, this accumulation, take a look, price were inside of this channel for many months. And you need to understand, when price inside of a box, it's like that pressure inside, pressure inside. And when there would be a burst, there would be boom. That's the same here in trading. Why? Because at the same time, there are buyers and sellers. There are a lot of people who buy and sell at the same time, all instruments. If you would open any chart, you would always see that there are only buy and sell Also you can like watch, but there always will be one of this stuff you buy or sell. That's why for you it's important to understand where would be a key places where some of these players can accumulate huge volume, and after when they would create good trap, that would be, I can barely hear him, it's my network of the video. It's your network. That's why, my friends, wait for such accurate accumulation. Take a look on this accurate accumulation, which were nearly 1.5 months, and take a look what happened after that. Boom. If some of you would be able to hold it and wait it, it doesn't matter what instrument you trade. You can open stock, you can open crypto, and always you would see something like this. Also, take a look here. I would like to share it with you on link. I think some of you, I hope some of you trade crypto here, and take a look on link USDT. Take a look here, the same. As you can see, key level, after that price slowly approach to that powerful key level. Take a look, slowly, really slowly. And after that breakout, take a look what happened. If you would open a position with stop loss even below daily candle, here was top 1 to 80 risk reward. 1 to 80 risk reward. You put 100 USD into risk and you can get far more bigger amount. 999. That's all, my friends. What can I tell you? What can I tell to all of you? Wait for good accumulation. Example for you of another accumulation, key level, and take a look here how accurately price were here, how accurately price before breakout bounced here and bounced here, and take a look what happened after that. Boom. That's what you should waiting for. You should waiting for good accumulation. That's our problem. As you can see, price did it for 2 months. It will not happen every day. That's problem of most of the traders. If you want to get good and really quality moves, you need to wait for it. Example for you. A few seconds. Okay, my friends. Maybe one of the best example which you would see, gold. It is maybe one of the best example which you can see on a chart. Take a look how accurately price did this. Remember, when you will find such pattern, such accumulation, always trade it. Take a look. And how after that, how accurately price after that rose up dramatically. Also on Bitcoin, BTC, USDT. As you can see here, before this powerful uprise, as you can see, Bitcoin also did the same pattern. Bitcoin started this, as you can see, price slowly approaching to this key level, and after, boom. That's all. Wait for it, and when you will find it, you will make a fortune. Can you lower the alarm volume because it makes me deaf? Yeah, my friend, I stopped that. At this moment, what should you do to become good trader? First, we have a free course, free trading course. I sent a link. Here is a link. Right now, you should sign up, because I will show you how to build step-by-step plan. Also, if you want to purchase our VIP alerts, education, account management or profit sharing basis, if you want to purchase our scripts, alerts, scripts with ATR indicator, you should write to my team, and my team will help you with that, my friends. I need to go. Thank you for your time. See you, my dear. Take care.